Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to everyone. Today is SDB new code from my channel is sharing with this video. Please subscribe the channel and bell icon press. My video is share and my channel is very popular channel from new app new code from my channel is daily. First is setting and next step is profile is from add profile. This is profile and put the setting. This is from and delete. This is all delete and fast h double t p and double dot slash hot and test dot fit and double dot 8080 slash c slash this is from port url and back to mac address. From this is delete from all and double zero double dot 1a double dot 79 double dot 41 double dot c5 double dot a7. This is from mac address. This is from okay friend. Next from this video is sharing with next profile. Next from is profile edit. From this is first from delete and add the profile. From this is profile with name is next from portal setting. From this is alt to alt delete and next is http and double dot slash what is that slash ip dot bo double s zx dot net slash c slash this is from okay friend. Next from confirmation and mas address. From double zero double dot 1a double dot 79 double dot 89 double dot 8b double dot 78. Okay friends, this is next video is coming up. Please subscribe the channel, bell icon press. Okay guys, goodbye.